Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing this look right here. Did I do a cut crease in my last video? It was not a cut crease. So yeah, I haven't done a cut crease in a minute. But make sure you guys stay tuned to see how I got this look. Okay y'all, so we are priming with the P. Louise base in the shade number 5. And for today's look, we are going to use the Fierce by Nature palette from Morphe. I'm talking too fast. Okay, here we go. So yeah, the Fierce by Nature palette. I'm taking this deep burgundy. It's really more of a purplish shade to me. This is not really what I think of when I think burgundy. Burgundy is a little bit more red in my opinion, but yeah, I'm taking this color right here and I'm packing it into my crease using a E17. And also y'all, like, I pack this in my crease, but when I blend it, it gets blended up further. So I don't know if y'all noticed, but when I cut my crease, I don't ever cut my actual crease, because if I do, it'll just transfer on my lid, if that makes sense. So I always cut my crease up a little higher than my actual crease. But yeah, we're just gonna blend this out. I did dip back into the same color to help me blend it, but yeah, this is the only color we're using in the actual crease today. So I'm going to use a 0.5 to cut my crease. We're going to do like a slightly winged out cut crease though. It's not like a really defined, like on the end type cut crease. I don't know if that made any sense, but y'all will see what I'm talking about. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the name of this palette, but this is the palette I'm using. I'm taking these oranges all the way to the red, and it's blue as well. You're gonna see my placement or whatever, but I'm using the M506 to pack on these colors because the whole flat brush technique, like, it's easier to use something fluffier, and also it doesn't go on patchy if you use a fluffy brush. So I'm just gonna pack all these on my lid in the exact order I showed you guys. I don't know why I didn't show you guys the yellow, but I believe I picked up the one from the Jaclyn Hill palette because the more golden looking yellows to me show up better than just like the kind of chalky looking yellows. So yeah, I usually go for like a golden-ish type of yellow, but yeah. Also, you're going to see me use a white eyeshadow as well. I think that one also came from Jaclyn Hill. Either they both came from Jaclyn Hill or they came from the James Charles palette. I'm taking this topper shade from the Glam Light palette and I'm just packing it on top of the white, and then the usual mascara, lashes. I never know what lashes I'm using, honestly, because I just got to a point to where I bought a lash book and it just has a bunch of random lashes in it from where I done lost the case or whatever. So yeah, I don't know the name of any of these lashes, but I think this specific pair is from Amazon, to be honest. I don't know for sure. So moving on to the face, I'm moisturizing. I use this Neutrogena moisturizer. I actually don't know if it's a facial moisturizer, and I just noticed that a few days ago. So it may not be the safest to use, but I'm priming with the Laura Mercier. I didn't even get a chance to see the name. Hold on. This voiceover is a mess because I'm really trying to talk fast with the video, but it's a pure canvas primer. I actually really love this primer. I used to not like matte primers, but it really gives me a nice, smooth, blurred finish. So for foundation, I always go to my Born This Way Fenty or my Anastasia Luminous foundation. Those are like my top 3 picks. But yeah, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Mocha. And then y'all know I always use a cream or do a cream contour. This is a foundation stick actually from Black Opal. And I do like to do my cream contour before I do my highlight. So as far as highlighter, I'm also using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade, I believe this is Butterscotch. So I like to go in and blend it out a little bit with the foundation brush, and then I'll go in with the sponge. I don't know, I just like the way it looks. Don't know if it makes a really huge difference, but I know the brush doesn't pick up as much product as the sponge does. So yeah, I like to use my foundation brush first. I'm using the Dermablend translucent powder to set underneath my eyes. Y'all, have just come to the conclusion or the realization that I just naturally have deep like under eye creases, because I used to always wonder like, am I not using the right products? The reason my under eyes crease so bad, but my eyes are just naturally like that. Like without makeup, like the creases are definitely still there. Like that's just how the Lord made my face. So because that really used to bother me for some reason, but I just took some of that powder and also went underneath my contour, and y'all can just see kind of like how like that slimmed my face out. But I'm taking this Cocoa Naughty bronzer, this bronzer, and I'm just gonna use that to help go ahead and warm up my face. And then right here I'm just adding some more yellow, because I realized that one eye had more yellow than the other. Y'all, this video is going way too fast, but now I'm gonna contour I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm so weak. But now I'm contouring my nose with that same bronzer. I'm also going to add some of this blush, you guys. Contouring my nose and just adding blush. Anything like bronzing, anything that adds like that bronzy, warm look to my face is just my favorite part now. Okay, so here I just dipped a Q-tip into some eyeliner. I saw somebody do this on one of their clients, and I just decided to try it on myself, and it works wonders. You can use as much eyeliner, like basically I'm saying is you don't have to redip it. Like this is enough for you to do both eyes and then some if you needed to. So yeah, I'm smoking that same purple shade out though underneath my eyes. For some reason, y'all, I cannot just leave my eyes under my eyes bare, like even with just eyeliner. Like I have to go back and smoke some color out. Like it just always brings the look together, in my opinion. So you guys saw that I added some mascara, and then we're gonna go in and highlight the face with this Fairy Dust highlighter from Fearless Faces. And then for the lips, we're gonna line them with this lip liner from NYX. It's a matte lip liner in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. And then we're gonna top that off with this lip gloss, also from Fearless Faces, in the shade Orchid. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.